Changing your verification method on Xbox can help enhance your account security. Follow these steps to update your verification settings. Step 1. Sign into your account. Go to the Xbox website or open the Xbox app on your console. Enter your Microsoft account credentials to log in. Step 2. Access security settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account section. Look for security or privacy and online safety to find your security settings. Step 3. Choose two-step verification. In the security settings, find the option for two-step verification. Click on it to view your current verification methods. Step 4. Update verification method. Select the verification method you want to change. You may have options like email, phone number, or authenticator app. Follow the prompts to update your preferred method. Step 5. Confirm changes. After updating your verification method, you may need to verify the new method. Follow any additional instructions provided to confirm the changes. By following these steps, you can successfully change your verification method on Xbox. Keeping your account secure is essential, so make sure to choose a method that works best for you.